going on? Welcome to the crib, man. Come on in, come on in. If y'all don't know by now, well, y'all don't know because I ain't recorded leaving. But, I'm in Orlando, man. I'm in my room right now. So, I want to give y'all a little tour. Y'all know I show y'all everything. So, basically here, this little living room area. You know what I'm saying? TV. Little table right here, you know what I'm saying? Have a little bed in me. You know what I'm saying? Phone right here. You know, call your mom something. I got a fridge right I got a refrigerator right here, man. You know what I'm saying? Nothing in it. Ain't no more light in here. Come on, crew. The clouds are right here, man. You know, nothing too major in there. We got the bathroom. Bathroom right there, man. You know what I'm saying? Nothing too major. This room coming about 10,000, you know, it's like, come on, follow me. They got right here, well, a lot of stuff gonna go down tonight, tomorrow night. You know, gotta get my $10,000 worth. Yeah, man. You know what I'm saying? This something slight. Let me see it. I'm gonna hold it for now. You know what I'm saying? This something light, man.
How many number twos have destroyed this thing?
Yeah, I'm in Orlando for the next few days. So I'm gonna take y'all with me. Probably going somewhere tomorrow, man. So take y'all with me, man. I'm telling y'all, I had some videos lined up. I wasn't lying. So y'all stay tuned, man. I got a lot of shit for y'all. Y'all probably won't see it till probably like this weekend or Friday, maybe. It really just depends on how long I take to edit. But yeah, man. Not too much, man. Catch y'all boys in the next clip, man. Need it.
But how many extra shirts?
Like 18.
How many extra shirts?
Like 1, 2, 3, 4.
Can you tell me?
You gotta sit right here though.
This what you had on yesterday?
No, I ain't put
It's
that on.
wet.
Oh yeah, this is the shirt I had on. But I just had this on. I took it off at the pool.
It's wet.
It's cold. Here you go. There you go. That might be the grill shirt.
No, it's like fashion.
They did a little kill shirt. Yeah, look how beautiful it is. Get it playing up there.
That's southwest, southeast. What's
The Spirit.
southwest. No, it's not. It's southwest.
Spirit is the best flight. If y'all ever going somewhere and get on Spirit, because it's God watching the plane, he, you know what I'm saying? It's his spirit. That's why it's called Spirit. It's like church in the air. So, yeah, it'd be good if y'all get on Spirit. Some folks don't like Spirit. But anyway, it's the next day from the clip y'all seen. I'm finna go to a very special place. I've been trying to get here for the longest, and we finally here. It rained a little bit, but fuck it. Ain't that right?
Yep.
I'll take my money before he got in housekeeping folk. Then they got a tip.
Because they will take it, honey.
Ooh, lucky us. Tip. We never get tipped here.
Oh, they probably get them big tips. I remember I stole a tip.
How can you steal a tip?
Okay, so a customer left $10 in a room. They told me to go check that room to see where that customer's still there. Looked around, seen it on the thing, and I took it.
You like me then. I ain't never showed you the hotel. You got the key? Get the hotel, y'all. Good looking hotel. I don't know if y'all can see it, but look at the volcano, y'all. They're really the only reason why I wanted to come to Orlando. And we finna be over there. How y'all doing?
That way.
Should have got on the back. Nobody really lost it.
Have a great day at Volcano Bay. O ingresa a mano el número de boleto para cada persona en tu grupo. Vas a pagar con Tap to Pay. Ahora puedes utilizar tu tarjeta portátil para comprar todo lo que quieras. Solo en Universal's Volcano Bay. Information about your visit to Volcano Bay.
Yeah.
Each of you is getting a tap.
I'm just video, sorry.
Nah, I probably can't hear the music. The shirt? It's okay, baby. Go up the elevators. I said elevators, escalators.
No, get your hand off.
Oh my fucking God. The only reason why I came to Orlando. What the fuck? I'm actually here. I'm actually here. It's crazy. Those kind of hats out tomorrow, right now. With Buddy gone.
Standing on the phone. too.
I gotta scan the barcode. Is the barcode on there?
That's why I ate how they supposed to. Oh, wait. Oh, that's true. I gotta scan mine.
I think mine gonna work. Mine should work.
Press a little harder. There you go.
Appreciate it, my man.
My pleasure. Enjoy your day.
Yeah, look what I got. I got a new Apple Watch. We use these right here to get on the rides, reserve rides. Tap on what ride we want to get on. It'll tell us how long we got. And then they'll let us know when it's our turn to get on the ride. So, no waiting in line for us. Oh my God. Bro, this shit crazy. Bro, I'm telling y'all, I'm taking y'all with me everywhere.
Look, leave that fire right there. I would never tell my brother to go out and do no dumb shit. Where he laying on them grinding bullet holes up in his stomach. You can look into my eyes and tell ain't nothing to play with. My pocket deep, my pocket full as hell. I'm walking with cement, keep it easy, baby. Tell me what the hell you tripping on. It's not my fault that you got nosy and you went out through my phone. I can't wait till I get rich and my change causing me back problems. I hear a lot of niggas talking, if they want it, I'ma solve it. Yeah, we 8 deep with 24 Jakes, we shooting like with Kobe. Don't come at me, keep your distance, because bitch, you might have COVID. I can't wait to ice my wrists out and tell food that we some glaciers. I can't wait to have my pocket full just to feel like baby. Bitch, don't try me, I'm not the one to play with, so you better keep it silent. You gotta check your homies, cause they told me where you hide. I'm trying to...
I gotta take this off. Oh, let me take a better picture like that.
Después prendemos con los lentes. Porque no hay gente ahorita.
Let's see what we're doing. Let's look right here, see what we got to go.
Do we say anywhere we could drop our food?
Yeah, I guess we gotta find it. But look at that fucking volcano, bro. That a little drop slide up there. I'm gonna get on it. I'm getting on with every fucking ride here, y'all. Oh, I'm gonna take them off. There we go.
What you thought it was?
know what the hell that is.
You're gonna say I don't.
Look at the damn bird. You see that bird? I'm finna add butter right here. What a damn lockers and shit at. Hey, excuse me. What can we find like the lockers that we put our stuff in? Over there? Alright, oh yeah. Oh yeah, I gotta get on that slide. I gotta get on it. Can you get in the wave pool?
I should have bought my goddamn phone and take it.
Ooh. I posted a picture. Somebody stood up and said, "You vlogging?" Yeah. Woo. 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 But look at this shit, bro. Oh yeah, I can. Oh my God, bro. I'm gonna drop down in the pool, y'all. I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do it. Woo! Little motherfucker. Woo! What the fuck is that mean? I look so long beautiful out here, bro. What the fuck?
Oh, look, that way you dropping down.
Yeah. Y'all finna get on this ride right here. The ride is all the way up there. Right there. Get on it and it jump. It's all right here. Ray coming in now. Might as well.
Might as well, honey.
Oh yeah, I gotta get on this.
You going through the tube?
Yeah, it stops all the way up there and then go down through the tube. Right here.
I hope you hold your breath good,
The tube?
I should have brought my
The tube ain't full of water.
It look like, look at all that water in it.
Nah, they ain't in it.
It's been moving me. Look.
You ready?
It's how we going?
Yeah.
Okay.
So for y'all, we done got on 3 different rides. We done got on 3 different rides. We finna get back on the lazy river. We got our one right here. Show how long our time is till we get on there. Another ride. Hold on, let me show you. Hold on. Yeah, we got on these 2 rides right here. The green, blue one and the green one. I think the blue one was way better. The blue one way better than the green. Now I'm finna get back on the lazy river. My phone's so blurry. Yeah. I can't record. Get them feet out my camera. Huh? Uh-oh, Mo. Uh-oh. It started raining on us, y'all. God damn. It started raining on our ass. Volcano Bay was a success, man. I enjoyed myself. Got on damn near every ride. Got on every ride except for like 2 or 3 maybe.
I said last time, at least for Central.
Now we on our way back. On our way back to the room. Last day in Orlando, man. Let me see, I see outside. Alright, man. And they clipped the video. My camera actually had died in this clip, but I was gonna give y'all a proper outro, but now I'm doing it. I just wanted to say I had the best time of my fucking life in Volcano Bay. I can't even cap to y'all. We did more stuff, but I didn't vlog, obviously. And I wanted to record a lot more at Volcano Bay, but I couldn't because I couldn't bring my phone on the rides, and I didn't buy a waterproof case, which I should have did, because I could have recorded some going on some slides for y'all, or me in the little lazy river shit, but I didn't. So like I said, man, for the footage y'all did see, I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog, bro, because I had fun recording it and editing it up for y'all. So with that being said, man, hit the like, subscribe to the channel, man. Let's go and hit 500. We at 330, 363, something like that. So let's just go ahead and hit 500, man. We need like under 150 left. So tell a friend and subscribe to the channel, man. I love y'all. Make sure y'all stay up, stay safe, stay blessed, stay positive, man. NiRow, not that thing.